Hi there, welcome to Mr. Meals Music. This is the teacher tips and tricks version for the song Plainsies, Clapsies. So this is the extra stuff. If you didn't check out how to play the original version, make sure to check out that video first, then come on back here. Once the kids learn how to sing the song, I have them do the main microbeat on the song. So it'd go like this. Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around the backsies. Or you could have them do it with clapping. Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around the backsies. Once they get that feel, we change it up to feel the macro beat of the song. This is going to help when it's time to toss the beanbags or the stuffed animals. So we would go, Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around the backsies. Then I would grab my imaginary ball, they would grab their imaginary ball, and we would toss it and catch it at the same time. You can do this just by mirroring. You could even do something like this and have your students follow, just to make sure that they're focused enough for the craziness that's about to ensue. So then you'd have your imaginary ball and you could go like this. Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around the backsies, toss it high, toss it low. So now it's time for Mr. Moose to get going. So he would go up in the air and down in the air, but beautiful part of elementary music, you can be as goofy as you need to. So Mr. Moose is terrified of flying, so he doesn't want to be let go of yet. So it would go like this. Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around the backsies. And once your kids can do that with you, then it's time for Mr. Moose to fly. And you break it down one step at a time. Plainsies, and your kids would echo you. And if their animal is still scared of flying, then they can just go like this so they can feel the beat. So some kids, they might feel pressure that they need to catch it and they don't want to yet. That's the opportunity. They could just say their stuffed animal or their beanbag doesn't want to fly yet. They're keeping it safe. The final challenge for the song, for any advanced class, you could have it where you're passing back and forth to a partner. So it would go something like this. Plainsies, and your partner would catch it and they would toss it back. Clapsies, and the person receiving the beanbag or the stuffed animal would be the one that's doing the action. It's pretty fun and it creates a good opportunity for your children to show some great teamwork and good sportsmanship. If their partner drops it, it creates good learning opportunities. Well, that just about does it for the tips and tricks version of the song Plainsies, Clapsies. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Make sure to subscribe, share with everyone you know, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl